Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 108 collection in red. It's this car we originally sold from you and have taken it back in part exchange. It comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, there's tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's only done 4,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.